Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Nas and I'm a beauty and lifestyle blogger from London. Follow me on Instagram for more content that I don't normally post here.
Ever since the day that you went away.
Before we start guys, I want to brief you on this mustache. I know it's a lot to take in, especially for me. You know, a lot of my friends are like, what? You have a mustache? Some of them are very happy with it, some of them hate it. I really don't know if this mustache suits me, so please let me know in the comments below if you like my mustache. I'm very happy if you do. The mustache is for the Movember campaign, which is focused on men's mental health, testicular health, and a lot of research. If you support the cause, if you want to help men have better health, please, please, please go and donate on the Movember link that I have included in the caption. Thank you. Without further ado, I'm gonna continue with today's video. Okay, so today's video is gonna be another Desenio haul. This time I'm gonna be doing a little bit different theme. So it's a little bit of mythical creatures, holiday, like, I don't know, it's more warm, more, it's not very Christmassy per se, but it's still very holiday looking just because of the color, just because of the gold. You get my idea. It's not a holiday print, but it's still holiday inspired, I guess. Came a few days ago and I'm gonna show you exactly what I got. I just want to say that they have an amazing Black Friday sale going on right now. So click on the link below to go to their website and check what sale they have. You can also use my code to get additional 10% off, which is absolutely phenomenal, so please do it. Let's go ahead and unbox my parcel. So this massive thing came from Desenio. I'm gonna show you what's inside, why I chose these prints, and you're gonna see me putting them together and also putting them on the wall behind me. I'm gonna find a space for them, don't you worry. I got a big, massive, I think it's 50 on 70 frame, and a smaller one, which is 30 on 40. Oh, and here are the prints. There is art inside. I opened it just to make sure that they're not damaged or anything like that. So I'm gonna show you what I got. So this is the first one. Whoa, it's so beautiful. I love the golden theme, but I decided to put a little bit more colors, and so that's why I chose something with a little bit of blue, because as you can see, all the prints behind me are without color, so they are all black and white or beige. They don't have any color in them. So this time around, I decided to put something a little bit more flashy, like this. I'm a very minimal person, so I don't like anything to boom, boom, boom. So that's why I chose those ones. They're very, very cute. I'm gonna start with the first frame. First, we're gonna remove the packaging. We have to remove the clear film. That's it. Good. And now we're gonna put the print inside. So we have the print inside. I'm just gonna put the metal parts on the back. Okay. We have here. So cute. Let's now do the big one. So again, we remove everything. This one is a little bit different, so you have to slide. Oh. So to the left, I guess. Okay. Okay, so we remove the place right here. put the back cover. I'm just gonna twist again all of them. How cool is that? I love it. This is so beautiful, guys. Okay, so let's put it now on the wall. So here I am in front of the wall that I'm gonna put the new paintings on for a little bit of pop of color. I've removed some of the old paintings and now let's put the new ones. Ta-da! And now I'm gonna put the octopus over here. Ta-da! Now you receive that pop of color over here in this area, and you have obviously all my plants on the side, which gives that green color as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tune in next month as I will be decorating my living room and my bedroom for Christmas, which is one of my favorite holidays of the year. Please let me know in the comments below if you like my combination of the paintings behind me, what you think of my video, and please give me any tips, as tips are always appreciated. And yeah, thank you, bye bye, and see you next week.